Financial rights of a wife in the UAE. UAE laws that govern family-related matters and disputes. The laws which govern family disputes in the UAE are mainly the UAE Personal Status Law, which is called the Federal Law No. 28 of 2005. In addition, the Civil Transaction Law, which is the Federal Law No. 5 of 1985, may also be applicable. Recently, a new law called the Federal Decree Law No. 41 of 2022 on civil personal status has been enacted, which applies to non-Muslims living in the UAE, except in Abu Dhabi. It was introduced in line with the Abu Dhabi Law No. 14 of 2021 on personal status for non-Muslim foreigners in the Emirates of Abu Dhabi, which applies to non-Muslim expatriates in Abu Dhabi. Financial rights of a wife in the UAE. A wife could claim certain financial rights during and after marriage, which include the following. 1. Dowry or mahr. Dowry is a sum of money or property that a wife is entitled to receive from the husband in consideration of their marriage, and is meant to offer financial security to the wife. There are two types of dowries or mahr provided under the UAE Personal Status Law, namely prompt dowry, moqaddam, and deferred dowry, moljul. Prompt dowry is a type of dowry that is payable immediately upon marriage. Deferred dowry is the type of dowry that is payable upon the dissolution of a marriage, either by death or by divorce. 2. Compensation. A Muslim husband may not need a ground to divorce his wife. If a divorce has been filed by a husband without the consent of the wife and a valid ground, then the husband shall compensate the wife for a period not exceeding 1 year towards the prejudice sustained by the wife from this divorce. The court is empowered under Article 140 of the UAE Personal Status Law to determine the amount of the compensation. 3. Backdated expenses. As per the UAE Personal Status Law, it is the husband's obligation in the marriage to provide maintenance support to his wife, which includes food, clothing, housing, domestic help and medical expenses. If the wife can establish that the husband denied her the maintenance support, such payments towards maintenance support shall become a debt to the husband starting from the date he refused from providing maintenance support. However, as per Article 67 of the UAE Personal Status Law, a claim shall be barred if it is for a period exceeding 3 years unless there is an arrangement between the parties. 4. Maintenance provisions under the UAE Personal Status Law. The UAE Personal Status Law provides maintenance provisions under the following situations. 1. Rights of the wife during the marriage. 2. Rights during the waiting period, iddah. 3. Right to seek custodian salary. 4. Right to claim maintenance support for the children. 1. During marriage. The wife has the right to claim maintenance support from the husband. The maintenance shall be subject to the financial ability of the husband and shall not be less than the minimum living standards as per the economic situation in terms of time and place. The wife can file a maintenance court case to claim financial support for her and the children without filing a divorce case. However, the husband cannot claim maintenance from the wife unless the parties have joint assets. 2. During the waiting period. Iddah is a compulsory period that the wife shall spend without marriage after separation to confirm if the woman appears to be pregnant. The husband must provide maintenance support to the wife during the iddah period. The iddah period in different situations may be the following. 2.1. For a divorced woman, iddah is 3 menstrual cycles after the divorce, or 3 months if the woman is no longer menstruating because she is too old or for any other reason. 2.2. If the woman appears to be pregnant before the completion of 3 menstrual cycles, the iddah period runs until she gives birth to the child. 3. Custodian salary. The custodian of the child can claim a custody fee from the children's father in consideration of the performance of her services as a custodian of the children. 4. Maintenance support for children. The father must financially support the boy until he finishes his education and the girl until she is married. Temporary child support could be claimed till the case is decided under the UAE Personal Status Law. Maintenance provisions under the UAE Civil Personal Status for non-Muslims. As per the new law, The parties to a marriage may agree upon the rights they will have towards each other, including financial rights in the marriage contract. Upon divorce, the wife has a right to claim alimony from the husband, as per Article 9 of the new law. And if there is no previous agreement as to how much the wife will receive, it will be decided by the judge, taking into consideration the following factors. A. Number of years of the marriage. The more years, the more amount of alimony. B. Age of the wife. The younger the wife, the lesser the alimony. C. Financial status of both parties. This will include income, any assets or savings. D. Extent to which the husband contributed towards the divorce, either through negligence or fault or any other act. E. Material or moral damage to the wife, if any, for which she can claim compensation. F. Financial damage to the other party due to divorce by unilateral will. This is divorce without justifying the cause or blaming the other party. G. Whether the wife is diligent in taking care of the children. An application seeking alimony can be made to the court after the divorce is issued, and the amount can be revised every year as per the change in circumstances. If the wife remarries, then her alimony will be forfeited, and also, if she is no longer the custodian of the children, the expenses of the children while their custody with the mother will be borne by the father for up to a period of 2 years.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.